In recent years, EDC items have become very popular in the Magic world because they are portable and easy to use. These items are not only carried on our person, but are also part of our daily lives. It all started when Shadow discovered an old ghost chalkboard and a whiteboard marker, which led to a brand new idea. This is EDC Ghost Whiteboard by Shadow Lin. This isn't just a single trick, but a complete, reusable system that can be combined in many ways. Shadow has carefully designed 4 exclusive routines for Ghost Whiteboard. It includes the prophetic and fate-driven destiny, with its unexpected twists in spirit writing, the incredible image transfer and fusion, and the dreamlike transformation from illusion to reality in the magic brush. We've replaced the classic chalkboard and chalk with a more practical version, a whiteboard and whiteboard marker. Now you no longer need to carry heavy blackboards. This effect is portable and perfect for close-up magic, making it a true EDC tool. We used sapel wood for the design, with a one-piece build that feels warm and stable. The size is perfect for one-handed use, combining strength, lightness, and ease of use, making the entire setup lighter, simpler, and easier to use. It also fits any standard size playing card, adding more flexibility to your routines. The EDC Ghost Whiteboard works on both sides, so all markings are clearly visible. The whiteboard surface is carefully made to ensure smooth and reliable writing. The complete set includes red and black dry erase markers and a high-quality double-sided velvet carrying bag, making it easy to carry and use anywhere. With over an hour of detailed tutorial, Shadow will teach you all the tricks and ideas for the whiteboard. EDC Ghost Whiteboard, a classic reimagined and a step into the future.